Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prioritizing the right gear and an immediate mining route. Grab a Tier 2 pickaxe, torches, and enough inventory space so you don't stall. Head to known copper spawn areas, edges, cave mouths, and resource markers, and mine continuously until you have 1030 ore. Once you hit a vein, keep momentum. Don't switch tools mid-vein because you lose time and durability. Make sure to bank excess items quickly so you can return and sustain a steady yield. Once done mining, move ore to your furnace and arrange consistent fuel so smelting never stalls. You want to keep the smelter at operational temperature. Add coal or charcoal in measured amounts to avoid cooling mid-cycle. Smelt each copper ore into an ingot, typically 1:1, then batch 10-20 ingots so you have enough material for pressing or rolling. Make sure to clear the output and not let the furnace cap out, because queued ore will delay your plate production. You finish by converting ingots into copper plates at a press or dedicated bench. Follow the machine's ratio, which is usually 1 ingot per plate. Once shaped, let plates cool on racks or in storage bins to prevent warping, and then label and stack them in chests for easy access. If something goes wrong, check 3 things first: smelter temperature, press calibration/settings, and continuous fuel feed. Fixing any of these restores production quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.